So we have a prototype of an augmented reality app. So the idea how app works is it makes an augmented reality add-on on top of the actual object in order to preserve the historical value objects. For example, we have Sphinx, which is classical Egyptian sculpture, and for some reason it was damaged. And using this app, we can, without brutally making impact on the actual object, we can augment the digital version of this object in order to have a look how it's supposed to be or how it was at the beginning, how it was built originally. It could also work for not only for sculptures but also for architectural monuments like buildings, temples, churches and stuff like that. It's just a prototype how the program's supposed to work, and as you can see it works from different angles with multiple objects at the same time. And just in case, in terms of making it easy to use of the prototype, it's now scaled to 1 to 100 or even less. But the idea behind it to have a model which is much larger, basically one-to-one object supposed to work the same way how it works now.